Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing the resort at Glade Springs. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are 2 swimming pools and a bar. The resort at Glade Springs, located 8 miles from Winterplace Ski Resort and 20 minutes drive from the New River Gorge National Park and Preserve. This resort hosts 3 golf courses and a spa. It also features indoor and outdoor swimming pools, a bowling alley and more. The suites at the resort at Glade Springs are equipped with 2 flat-screen TVs and free Wi-Fi. They are furnished with a sofa, bed and work desk. A microwave and refrigerator are also provided. This Daniels resort features 2 restaurants, a sports bar, and a café. Escape rooms are offered at the leisure center. Raleigh County Memorial Airport is 5 minutes drive from the resort at Glade Springs. Daniels Vineyards is 15 minutes drive from the property. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.